Even with the pool robot, you still end up doing some of the work yourself, like touching up the edges, cleaning the water line, going back over spots it didn't finish. And that's the part that people don't really talk about, because it's not that they don't work, it's just that they don't work completely. Well, this is the MOVA Diver A10, and what stood out to me in this one is that it's not trying to be the overload with options. There's not a bunch of complicated modes or settings to figure it out. It's just simply designed to do one thing, and it's to clean your pool properly without having to even think about it. So when I dropped that in the pool, I wasn't paying attention to the speed or power, because that's where most pool robots fall short. They look active, but they're not actually covering everything, and this one felt deliberate. It wasn't just moving, it was working through the pool in a more structured way. Now this is where I started noticing a difference, because instead of moving randomly, it's using the pool navi technology, which is basically an adaptive path planning, and it's not just bouncing around the pool, it's actually working through it with the structure, and over time that's what leads to fewer missed areas and more complete coverage. Now the edges are usually where things get left behind, because most robots hit the wall and then turn away or pass by without really cleaning it, but this one tracks along the edges more intentionally using the edge poles, which is an AI-driven system that keeps it aligned with the pool edges instead of just bumping into them and turning away. Now the water line is where usually the buildup shows up the most because of the oils, the sunscreen, the residue, and this actually does 2 passes along the water line and reaches slightly above, around 5 centimeters. So instead of just touching the area once, it goes back over it and then removes the buildup more effectively. The MOVA A10 has a strong suction around 6,000 gallons per hour, powered by 3 brushless motors, but more importantly is how the power is being used, because the suction alone doesn't fix the missed areas. It's how it works together with the movement and brushing that makes a difference. Now the simple operation without the extra steps is one of the best things that I can appreciate the most, because there is not a bunch of modes to figure it out. You just drop it in, you start it, and let it do its job. And for something like this, the simplicity is usually the great benefit. Now the pool that I was using for this video, it needs a little bit more attention and specific products to even clarify the water and remove more stains, but overall after running it for a full cycle, the difference isn't just how clean it looks right away, but is what you don't have to go back and fix. Like the edges are cleaner, the water line needs less attention, and there are fewer missed spots overall, and that's really the goal, because it's not just looking clean, but actually being clean everywhere. Now another thing that I noticed over time is the runtime, because it runs around 240 minutes on a full charge, and it can handle large pools in one go without stopping halfway through, and when you let it through a full cycle, it stays consistent the entire time. And after a cleaning cycle, this is where it gets interesting, because it uses the 3.5 liter ultra fine filtration system, so it's not just picking up just the large debris like leaves, it's also capturing fine particles that usually stay in the water. You just simply open it up, you can actually see everything being pulled out, wash it out, put it back in, and that's honestly one of the most satisfying parts about using it. So I guess this is gonna make most sense if you want something that works without constant adjustment, you care about more of a complete cleaning rather than extra features, or you're just simply tired of going back and fixing the missed spots. But it's also not gonna be good if you just prefer the manual control, or you just want a lot of the customization options. So what this robot does well is that it focuses on the parts that actually matter, such as consistency, the coverage, and the ease of use. So it's not trying to be the most advanced, but it's just trying to simply do the job properly, and honestly, that's what most people really need. So if you're looking for something that reduces the amount of work that you still have to do after a cleaning cycle, I think the MOVA Diver A10 pool cleaning robot, it's definitely worth considering. So we're gonna leave the link in the description below. Make sure that you check it out and comment your thoughts below about the MOVA Diver A10. Stay tuned for more content, like, subscribe, and we'll meet back on the next video.